Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. So with DOT, we obviously talked about that we completed here a wave 1, probably. Yeah, then here an ABC structure in an expanded flat. And now we are watching where we could bottom. The 61.8 fib level certainly was an ideal level to turn around. It did now turn around, but the question is this now the reversal we have been waiting for? Because the signals are coming together. For example, we see ETH currently breaking briefly above the 50% level of this wave 4 retracement. So it's a first signal that things could get interesting tomorrow on Saturday. However, we need a sustained break above that level. And we need 5 waves. So if we get 5 up, 3 down, interesting, yeah? BTC as well, but Bitcoin hasn't broken above that level yet. Now we see Polkadot now also moving up here. Eventually, this is currently still here the setup where the price can turn around in this support area to rally in a third wave above $10. Would be ideal. We've been talking about this support area as a relevant one, and we are still in the support area and we see some good reactions, but it's nothing where I could confirm at this stage that we are already breaking out. But it's starting to look interesting. Certainly, if we break out of this orange trend line, it would be a decent signal. Yeah, I think then we can be watching a bit more closely. At the moment here, yeah, we could argue that we get 5 up at the moment, but it's a very ugly wave, 5-wave move. To me, it looks more like a 3-wave move at the moment. Yeah, so we need to be on the side of caution. Could very well be that this here was an A wave, then a B wave triangle, and we're now working on a C wave to the upside. I'd be careful with this structure here. We don't have a clear 5-wave move here, so I'd be careful at this stage. It doesn't look too different from what we did here. Yeah. So how would we count that? Just to give you some idea here of the micro counting. So we would count that in a way that at the moment, oops, of course it could become something, let's say, more bullish, but A wave looks impulsive, okay, B wave triangle, C wave up. How would we label the B wave? Because I think it adds up quite nicely. Let's see. So A wave of the triangle. Okay, can't be a triangle, can it? B, did that go higher? I think it did go higher. Yeah, okay. Otherwise it would have added up quite well as an Elliott Wave triangle now. It's a 5-minute chart. It's highly volatile. Yeah, it can't, and also the E wave. Okay, the E wave went below the C. No, can't count it as a triangle anymore. That doesn't add up. Still though, you can count it as a. Oops, let me see. You can count it as, for example, W, X, Y, and then in the Y wave we've got an A, B, C. That adds up a little bit better. So it looks like a B wave, just sideways movement, and the C wave up. So at the moment at least, it looks like a 3-wave structure. Not saying it couldn't become a 5, but at the moment it's not. Okay, so just saying, because we see a few green candles, don't get too bullish. We're still constrained by the pattern, but it's a descending broadening wedge. So if we see a breakout of this wedge pattern to the upside, then this is a nice signal. And then next resistance on the micro level here is the previous 4th wave at 581, and then the beginning of the wedge. And that is at $6.04. Okay, if we break above $6.04, then we're also breaking out of our range to the upside, and at that point I would be very optimistic that a low has been made here. Yeah, but we can get a signal earlier. I mean, what we need now is in the first stage a breakout of this pattern. We need a 5-wave move up. At the moment, in my opinion, we only have 3. But either way, if we come back and make a higher low above the 78.6 fib level, that would also be a good signal. So whatever it's doing now, yeah, it is not allowed to break below the 78.6 fib level. If it does that, then it will increase the chances of making another low again. Okay, so if anybody wants to keep watching that, you can keep watching for the 78.6 fib level. That's currently measured from the current high at 528. So whatever it's doing now, it needs to hold above 528. But yeah, I mean, it's certainly nice volume that's coming in, right? We see a little bit of bullish sentiment around sentiment around those banks. Yeah, that could have a possibly bullish effect on crypto. We'll see. Yeah, it's certainly getting interesting, but at the moment it's not doing anything crazy. Yeah, I mean, if it's turning around here, it would just be in line with the scenario, so that would be amazing. But also I can't rule out that it makes one more low, but it should either bottom here or after one more low, because if it doesn't, then we're probably gonna see new lows, which ideally we want to avoid if possible. Yeah, so it's gonna get interesting. Hope the levels are clear. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.